Hey everyone, this is Christian Tibualat. So I'm back on my channel. So here we are again. So I'm going to create a new video, but exact the same last year or last year. So I did skincare makeover for myself, night version, and now I'm going to make it again, my 2025 skincare routine night version. So a lot of people says that where I've been years ago, past years ago. So I actually, it's very easy answer. So couple past year, I don't know what's the specific words, but back years, I not updated in my vlog because it has lots of process that just like I'm not like kinda things to do makeup, especially I'm busy at school work. So finally, for now, I'm going to make these guys, but sorry, it's still same, but this is the optional for myself to do this makeup. I think it's gonna help you guys. And as you can see my face right now, it's not kinda look bad from the past that I have lots of red, super red, like this now. This is the active acne right now. So I already done doing my facial wash. First we gonna do is we're going to use alcohol, not just in my face. Oh my god, I did this last year, but my face getting irritated, so I'm going to use this for my hands to sanitize it. This is the actual first using my toner. This is Snail White Glow Potion. So when I'm use this, so this is the second bottle that I'd use. I see the difference in my face right now. Even I'm not using the moisturizer, as you can see the glowy effects because of the facial that I used. I think I used the, wait, hold on. I used the Glutamax facial wash for men because this is very helpful for my skin to remove the excess oil and dirt from my face, because I always wearing makeup in my school all day because you know to stay beautiful, and it's giving slay all day. So back to my process. So I'm going to use this Snail White Glow Potion just like that. So that's right. After for that, we're going to leave about we're going to leave a minute. We're going to leave a minute. Just wait. So I'm already done using a toner. So second, I'm going to use a serum, but it's not indicated in my box. So I'm going to, I don't know what it calls, but sorry for my grammar because I think it's kind of giving vogue for myself to do this kind of content. So back again. So I'm going to use the Garnier Anti-Acne Booster Serum. 4% vitamin C, salicylic acid, and niacinamide, and AHA. So you know what I mean. The acne, if you have you see the acne, so the target of this product is my acne. So after that, let the serum absorb my skin. I feel the matte finish, so I'm going to use the moisturizer. So this is the Eye White Korea moisturizer, and optionally it has the words acne, so you know what's the target of this product is acne again. So after that, I think it's already dry up. So after that, I'm going pimple eraser. This is the cream, helps dry up the pimples, just like that. Put this in my entire acne in my face. So after that, I'm going to use the YOU, the Acne Plus Spot Care X. So I'm going to spot all my pimples for these products, just like here, here, in my under eyes, my lips with Vaseline. I'm going to use the original lip therapy in my lips. And voila, this is the final touch of my face, and I'm going to sleep. And bye guys, thank you for watching. Mwah. Hope you leave likes and also subscribe, girls. So thank you, girls, super slay.